My name is Ricky Martinez, and I am the CEO, General Manager at Telecom. We're located in Merkel, Texas. We provide service to 9 different counties, over 2,000 square miles. Obviously born a traditional telephone company since 1951 that's transitioned into a broadband company. We can start from education all the way across the city and county government. We provide services and help them with the needs that they have. Sometimes we may not even see a benefit directly, but it's important for us that the communities having the support that they need to be successful. We believe if our communities are successful, then we're going to be successful. NRTC was a part of our assistance lifeline, if you will, when I came to Taylor Telecom a little over 7 years ago. And for us, the challenge has been that connection of having customer support after hours. NRTC has played a big role, but then as we continue down the path of becoming a broadband company, they became a bigger part of our support mechanism, helping us keep engaged with the day-to-day networking that we have, being able to monitor and get support we ran across issues. And so NRTC has played a huge role for us to have an additional support mechanism to the services we provide. The help desk answers our calls from our customers if there are issues. They start trouble tickets, and they help engage our on-call staff whenever there's an issue taking place after hours. They also play a role during the day if we get overrun with a fiber cut that affects the whole system, which is pretty rare, and I'm thankful for that. But if that were to happen, I know that if we start getting tons of calls and it starts rolling over, NRTC answers that. I have seen other organizations that provide the same services. I've been very comfortable with NRTC since I arrived. It's hard to measure what it means to us until you have a moment where you need their support and you know that they're right there in that moment with you, trying to find a solution to whatever problem you have. And I think that's the measurement of the value NRTC has to us currently. I think that one of the things that I value very much is communication. I value honesty and transparency. And I think that's something that NRTC has always brought. That's what I would tell anyone. If you're looking, contact NRTC, talk to them, see if they could fit your bills, see what you're needing. And with all sincerity, I believe they will give you a direct answer. Well, I love roulette. I think it's a fun game. You don't have strategy. Vegas wasn't built on winners, and everyone needs to understand that.